Actually, you've seen my classes?
Yeah, your classes and your YouTube channel also.
Actually, YouTube channel is fine. Tell me, so how's the preparation going on?
It's fine right now, but I don't
Okay.
get much time because of college classes. So in weekends I
Okay.
do. Yeah.
Okay. So how much you're getting in mocks? What is the percentile you're getting? What is the total marks out of 300 getting marks actually?
Sir, I haven't given many mocks till now. I have given only
Hmm.
academy mocks. Uh,
Okay.
so I started in March. So my first
Okay.
mock was 60, around 60. Then
Hmm.
a couple of mocks I scored 80. Then I'm
Okay.
consistently scoring above 100 right now. My highest was
Okay.
around 146 or something. In the
Okay.
last mock I scored 105 out of 198. The new pattern, 201.
5. Okay. And the breakup and the breakup.
Uh, BRC scores are just they are varying, so they are not consistent. But in the range of 30 to 50, and
Okay.
LRDI from 40 to 50, and QA I
Okay.
think over 50.
Okay. So you scored 105. How much you told?
Yeah, 104 or 105. I don't remember correctly.
It's around 30 to 40 in each section, right?
Yeah.
On average. Okay.
No, I
So
45 in quants I think, and others vary.
okay. So tell me which is your comfort zone? What your doubts you have? First you can tell me, then I'll tell you.
Sir, so I am preparing for CAT 21, not 20. I'm in my third year.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, I have enrolled with time here this year.
Mhm.
Time in CP. So I will be giving this year also CAT just for practice.
Okay.
And uh, I am having problem in VRC a lot.
Okay.
In VA I can around I have around 50% accuracy, but in RC also I have only around 60% accuracy.
Okay.
Uh, I try to attempt all. I think in every mock I have attempted all 34 questions in VRC, but I still get 40 to 50 marks only. And in QA,
Hmm.
arithmetic is done, completely done, and I'm good in logs, arithmetic, algebra is fine, geometry is also fine, but I'm not good in modern maths. Not at all good in modern maths, probability, PNC. I can solve basic questions. I have revisited those topics quite a few times, but still I'm not able to do in mocks.
Okay.
Yes, and in
Hmm.
LRDI, I'm able to solve around 4 or 5 sets with 90% accuracy.
Good enough. Good enough. Right. So basically, so going forward for CAT 21, right? So basically, you have enough time to work on a weakness, right? Okay.
Yes.
So you can just work. Means let's say you told that modern maths is not so not so comfortable with that, right? Just try to solve this few some good books questions, right? Your material you have with the institute, है ना? Just finish it off.
Mhm.
Take care. So I think that should do actually. Modern maths in recent exams, I don't think modern maths has a huge weightage actually. Okay, so maybe you can expect around 2 to 4 questions. And that too I think not very tough. So basically I think the classes would do or the material would do, right? So
Yes,
just try
I
to
am just
finish
waiting
on.
for them to finish off so that I can start practicing.
ah so I think it won't actually trouble in and you can just finish off
Mm.
that PNC in my YouTube channel also. So I think it's
Yes.
very it's going to quite in depth, so I don't think it will have a lot of effect actually, a lot of issues actually you'll have after that. Hmm.
Yes, but the
But
questions are
yeah,
quite difficult from PNC to others.
nah, it's a variety of, right. This actually you have
We
to
can't
touch
have
different varieties.
100% accuracy in that.
I agreed. I agree. Right. But actually, the thing is that you have to touch different varieties. Right. Basically, it's not about modern maths. It could happen with maybe geometry also. It could happen with maybe PNC also.
Yes.
Sorry, numbers also. Right. But thing is that no, when you don't feel comfortable in any chapter, right? Not touch a lot of variety actually, right? Because you're not instructed your mind to think in a correct way, right? So basically your mind is just thinking like, okay, because every time when you're solving, you're facing some kind of new questions actually. Okay, that's a basic trouble. Well, if you don't feel comfortable in any chapter, this is the basic point. Okay, because whenever you solve 5 or 6 questions, you get stuck at 1 or 2 questions, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why you don't get that much interest while solving it, right? So that's why maybe that's a major reason I feel, right? So you can just just solve 100 200 questions, okay, or touch a lot of different varieties. So basically all the mocks will do. So in every mock you can see 2 to 4 different kinds of question actually, okay.
Yes.
So mocks play a major role in improving any topic, okay, apart from your institute material for any good book, right? You can see a lot of on internet actually search certain for a lot of content, so just try to make that, okay, let's have a collection of 150 good questions, right, of modern maths, and same way for goes for other module also, right? And this is how you can work on a weakness, and I think it wouldn't be any, it shouldn't be any of any of the difficulty actually, okay. So just try.
Yes.
It's very important that you just whenever you don't feel any uh like a comfort zone in any chapter. Okay. So if you don't feel comfortable with that chapter, just try to solve more and more problems, right? And basically try to touch different varieties rather than what basically happens. Okay, you're solving the question. Let's say so I solved 20 questions I solved, and I only touched 3 to 4 varieties actually. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a major issue. If you're touching 3 to 4 varieties after 20 questions, right? So your mind actually you're not insisted your mind. Okay, to think that much in a question, right? So that's why rather you should solve 20 questions out of 10 varieties at least. Okay,
Yes.
so you're giving your mind to improve actually to think in different aspects at different levels, right? So it's all about building up your mind. Okay, so just try to solve a lot of questions of modern maths, especially, and then your focus topic obviously after this category will be more actually clear, but your focus topics will be all algebra, arithmetic, geometry, right? Because this is a major chunk right now. Okay. So around 80 to 90% of the question in the last 3 to 4 years, right, has been from algebra, geometry, and arithmetic. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
make sure that you have a good command over this. And once you're done with this syllabus, and also I think you're in a good situation right now. From April and May, you can simply give lot of mocks actually. Okay. So you can
Yes.
take your preparation to another level. If you can finish it till February, March, then you can take your preparation to different level actually. Fine. So that's why it's very important that you finish the syllabus early and quite deeply also. Okay, that's very more
Yes.
important, right? So get it quite read it deeply and LIDA always. So it's you have again good situation. You have got a lot of time, so you can just start LIDA maybe 4 to 5 sets every 2 days, at least 5 sets, right? So maybe you
Yes.
can touch 500 sets within 6 months. Okay, so that's
No,
a
so
huge
I'm
number.
trying to solve previous year mocks right now. Every day I
That's
complete
that's best.
one section.
That that's best.
Yeah.
Okay, just try to
LIDI
finish
and 8 sets of LIDI and 24 questions of command. Daily I do.
and that's actually that's best, right? Just try to finish the max number of questions, max
Mm-hmm.
number of sets in LRD, and same thing. Try to touch different varieties, right? Means let's say you make a list of the all topics, right? Let's say I'm talking about arrangements. So let's say linear and circular arrangement. Let's solve 10 15 sets, right? Okay,
I
and
have
okay, then
practiced Venn diagrams. I think like 5 or 6 times. I watched the videos. I
uh,
watched the concept. I know everything. I know the concept, but I can't just solve these questions of Venn diagrams.
that's what it
Never.
happens because Venn diagram. What happens? No, Venn diagram is a typical case of maxa minimum, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in every question, like they'll ask at least, at most,
And it's at
maximum,
most, yeah.
minimum, right? And that actually you'll see in every question of CAT also, or possibly, right? Even if it's a set of DI, it's a set of LR. They'll convert that question to maximum minimum. At
Yes.
the normal set, right? But at the last, they'll put what is the number of, let's say, at least or at most, right? And that gives a twist to the question, a twist to the set actually.
Yes.
Okay, so you have to be comfortable. So that's on maxa minima. Just try to solve at least 40 to 50 sets, right? On arrangements, at least 20 sets. On quant-based reasoning, or at least 50 sets, right? Then magic box, crypt arithmetic, right? So this will improve your logic actually. You saw a lot of sets on crypt arithmetic. Okay, so even it was not so important before 3 years back also. But I used to actually teach because that actually develops your brain actually. And I've seen that CAT is
Mm-hmm.
asking questions on crypt arithmetic in last 2 years. Okay, so that's again a good way to improve your puzzle skill. Okay, so then different types of charts. Let's say solve 10 good sets on pie chart, 10 good sets on bar graph, right? Good set means whenever you're solving a good DI set, no, it will have that at least at most touch to it. Okay,
Yes.
that will get you comfortable with this, and once they're comfortable with at least at most, I think that's not a trouble with Venn diagram, because Venn diagram is a simple concept of 3 or 4 steps,
Yes.
right? The trouble is
The
given by these
concept is
questions
really quite
actually.
yeah, questions
That's what I'm
are
saying. trouble is gained by these questions, at least at most like that,
You
right?
can always
Once you
solve one or two questions, but not the third or fourth one.
just take it, just solve, right? Mocks, if you can solve all these mocks, no, okay, you're solving previous year mocks, it'll give you a great
Yes.
benefit, right? Because it will touch a lot of different varieties. Just make sure that
Yes.
you're solving 400, 500 sets of previous year mocks, and you'll feel very good in LRDA. Okay, so just always try to touch topic wise. Means, let's say, I'll just give you a brief list of topic. Okay, let's say arrangements, linear circular, selections, then maxa minima, including Venn diagram, not without Venn diagram, maybe 5 or 6 parameters questions, right? Then basically the cases of crypt arithmetic, magic box, binary logic, cubes and cuboids. Okay. Then pie chart, bar graph, radar charts, triangular graphs. Okay. Then bubble chart. Uh, let's say I think we're done with this topics, right? Or maybe I'm missing something. Let me just have a. I'm sorry, quant-based reasoning, right? So if you finish all these topics and let's say that you've done at least 40 to 50 sets on all these topics, right? Good quality sets. So suddenly it happens, right? Your mind, even if you're not so, if you are not good at LRDI, still after solving 40, 50 sets of each variety, your mind gives a good actually, your mind actually catches the questions fast because it becomes more responsive. Okay. So I always believe that it's about training your mind, right? So it's about in gym it's about training your body. In aptitude, it's about training your mind. Okay. So how much you can train your mind actually, right? By solving different varieties of sets, different varieties of questions, lots of maybe you can move 10 to 20, 20 to 30% above cat level also. Okay. Just try it. Basically, if cat is here, it's always it's always good to see cat from here, right? So it gives a better perspective, right? So always try to see things from above rather than to be above it, rather than to be at parallel with it. That means solve all these questions around 20% above difficulty of cat level. Okay. And any maybe LRDI or cat quant anything, right? That will give you a good actually understanding, a good mind. And when it actually you give cat, right, it becomes a little bit easier because you're solving already a bit tougher questions than those cat level. So just make sure that you're solving in an LRDA the topics which I've told. Nothing I don't have any, I've missed. I've missed roots and networks. Yeah. So roots and networks also, right? So basically all these topics just finish 15, 20 sets, 30 sets, 40 sets on each variety, right? And you'll feel very, very good about it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Also, sir,
Same
I'm
goes in
good with
quant
math,
also.
but not in calculation in SUBI. But
You
I can't
see,
calculate with hands, but I need
calculation
calculator.
is, see, I'll tell you. So calculation is basically all about, no, you have to build up your mind actually in calculations, right? Again, you have to think fast, right? So think fast basically means that you don't have to refer pen with pen for small calculations, right? So from there only it will, this good thing will start actually of getting good calculations. Okay. So let's say just when you're sitting, just try to at in step one be very comfortable with 2-digit numbers basically. So just try to think of the complements of number, complements from 100, right? So let's say that means the complement is mean difference from 100, right? So let's say if you're calculating 61, so its complement is 39. You should strike within 0.1 second actually. Okay, 72, its complement is 28. 33, its complement is 67, right? So that will give you a very good this insight about 2-digit numbers. Once you're very good with 2-digit numbers, no, then you can just, because it's all extension of, if I give you let's say addition of 867 plus 728, right? So you know that if you know that 67 plus 28 is 95, it's very fast, right? Then you have to, there's nothing, right? 8 plus 8 is 15 becomes 1595 actually, right? So that calculation is a it's a very important getting comfortable with those 2-digit numbers is really very important in calculation, right? So just try to, when you're sitting also, just try to read the tables. Let's say pick up a number like 29. Just try to keep add in your mind 29, 58, 87, 116, right? Just keep on adding like that, right, in your mind. Okay. So that means you one day, maybe after, if you're doing consistently for 3, 4 months, right? You won't believe in next 2, 3 months you can reach really fast, right? You don't know the power of human mind. Okay. Once you give a good direction to human mind, it can really work wonders actually. Okay, means let's say I'm sitting right now and I'll pick example of let's say 163, a random number, right? So basically I can, if I practice, I can add very fast. Let's say 163. So 163, 326, 489, like that, right? 652, 815. I can just add like that. 978, then 1141, and it keep on adding actually, right? Let's say a number like 187, 187, 374, 561, 748, 935, 1122. So I can just keep on adding. I don't remember the table actually, right? So I'm not a mad person. I remember table for 187. Okay, but yeah, that I can add very fast, right? So I've practiced like that actually. Fine. So that's the basic the major point. If you're trying to solve those questions, okay. So just try to means indulge in this small things of a speed match while solving mentally, solving what you say, giving more power to your mind, addition, subtraction in mind, multiplication in mind. It start with a small numbers. You start with a number like 23, 27, 29, and you can end up at 200 something, 81, 83, like that, right?
Yes, sir.
So
But
just it's
like the
no,
questions, those have the table, big tables like 6-digit numbers, production in years per year,
no,
production
you'll
year
not
on
get
year.
none, none, none. See, six date
Mm.
multiply and all you'll not get, never, right?
Not
It's all
multiplying,
in
but
Vedic.
average of
It's all in
which
Vedic maths.
yields
If
averages. Yeah.
I'll tell you, it's all in Vedic maths. 3 cross
Mm.
3, 4 cross 4 multiplication never helps actually, right? Those things are actually just good to actually learn that, okay, I can do in one line. Because if you used to do in, since childhood, we used to do in 4 rows, okay? So you can solve one row, it's fine. But actually, it's never used practically in any exam, right? You have to give like more power to your mind. That means be fast at percentage tables, right? So be fast at percentage table means basically, let's say, just write random numbers like 43 upon 197 or 43 upon 177. Just try to get that percentage thing. Okay, that okay, 177, 10% is 17.7. So 20% is 34.4. So around 2.5 times. If I say 43 by 177, the rough answer will be 2.5. Right? Those kind of things will help in exam. Okay. So this is what you're trying out to build in DI or in quant. Okay, just build that mental application. Something multiply by 11, right? So let's say
Mm.
173 into 11. Do it mentally into 11, right? Into 10 is 1730, and into 1
Mm.
is 173. So if I add, I'll get 1903. Those things, right? So calculations means building up of mind, never any ratification, right? That this is a way of multiplying by Vedic math trick. This is a way of multiplying 4 times. No, it will not be used actually. Multiplying 3 cross 3, 4 cross 3, 4 cross 4, no. Right? These things, percentage in mind, tables in mind, fast addition, fast subtraction, right? Fast squaring, right? So you can, there's a lot of videos of fast squaring on YouTube and all, right? You can just see, and if you don't know, right? And you can just continue with that actually. So make sure that you're doing these things, which is quite relevant to build up your mind, because calculations is all about building your mind. Never a slow mind can never do fast calculations, right?
Mm.
It doesn't matter how much you number of number of methods you can run for calculations, but if your mind is slow, you can't apply it at the correct time actually. So make your mind fast. That's the basic.
Yes, sir. And in VARC.
VARC actually, I'm not in touch these days, right? But actually, when I used to prepare for this CAT and all, so I was actually a habit of reading. Okay, so basically that helped in exam. So I had a habit of reading, but yes, obviously that boring, not boring RCs and all. So at that time, so basically what happened? So maybe during exam, in last 3 to 4 months, I decided, okay, I'm not doing very good at RCs. Let's solve 5 RCs per day, and then go to
Mm.
gift card, right? So basically, it's kind of a forced percentile what I got, right? Rather natural percentile. Okay. So I just like, okay, like suppose 70 days is left for cat. Okay. So if my plan would be, if I'm not getting very good in VARC, I'll just solve 5 RCs per day. Ah, 350 RCs is 70 days. Ah, if variables are coming, so let's solve 10 variables per day, right? 700 question variables. So that is my plan. To when I'm not performing well in any section, I just become very aggressive with that. Okay, solve a lot of questions, lot of questions, right? Unless you become comfortable. Okay, so it's that's why in VARC, but we have enough time right now. So I'll tell you that
Mm.
if you have, because if cat 21 you're giving, develop a reading. Have you got any reading habit?
No, not right now. I
No,
tried reading the Hindu
develop, right?
newspaper, but I can't really comprehend it,
Not
so I
no.
left.
See, actually, it doesn't work, right? See, if we don't have reading habit, this newspapers will not work
Mm.
actually. Okay, so it's about first of all building concentrations, right? You have to build concentration in your mind. Okay, so any start reading any book, right? Any book which has got 200 pages, right? if you can finish those books of your interest, could be fiction books, could be story books, could be Chetan Bhagat's book, any book, right? Let's just have a habit of reading. Okay. So basically, I started reading only by Chetan Bhagat's book only. Maybe all the verbal faculties will not tell you that okay, that's not a correct book to start, right? But that's okay, right? Because I don't have any reading habit. I found the books interesting, more of college life. Okay, so I found it more connecting actually. So I saw that okay, the first book I could finish in 10 days. The next two three books I could finish in 2 3 days. So I developed a reading habit of reading 200 or 300 pages in 2 days actually. Right, a person who doesn't have any doesn't have a reading habit, right? If he can finish say 300 pages in 2 days, right? So basically your mind is becoming more concentrated now. Okay, so I can concentrate for longer periods while reading, right? So that is certainly helping your RCs and all. Okay, so first thing is, but I actually get a feeling in RC and all is that when you read a RC, your mind is not able to concentrate, right? If it's a boring
Hmm.
RC, you can just start thinking something else in between. Okay, so you have to focus somewhere there, right? You have to focus. You have to, because the thing is that when you're reading those 300 words at a time, your focus should be completely there, right? So if you can read a good book of 300 pages in 2 days, 3 days, right? This RC in 1 or 2 days. Sorry, books in 1 or 2 days. So you can read RC in one book, just 300 words RC, right?
Hmm.
So it's good. It's so just try to just find your which is your comfort zone. Okay, try to read more about it. Okay, so after that, so I basically write. I basically like to read more about economics, finance, and all. Okay, so I read more articles about it, how the world is performing in economics and finance and all. Okay, then I would read obviously read any story books. I've all these good books I've read actually. Some Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Then this White Tiger is also a good book, right? If you're interested in finance and all. How the Indian economy works. Then obviously all the Chetan Bhagat books I've read of. Okay, few fiction books also I've read. I don't remember the names actually right now. So these books I've read and I developed a good reading habit. Okay, so reading is always good thing, right? It give you more. And I've seen that if you even if like it doesn't like you have to become a avid reader, right? But yeah, after 5 to 6 months, if whatever you are right now, and you can read at least 20% more also, right? That will be very visible
Hmm.
in your course actually, what you're preparing. Okay. And it's always good. Means you have that's what CAT is all about, right? There's always in we have a big prime we're preparing for any manager post. So they won't find a manager who doesn't get be good at RCs, right? So you have to be good at reading big files and taking the extract out of it and in offices,
Hmm.
right? That basically practice here also. Okay. So big pages, big files, you're trying to read extract in your office. Same thing here also. That's a practice, right? So more read more, okay, and develop a habit. So reading is never bad, right? And I don't feel that nobody can if a person is not a good reader, you can start from Hindu. No, I won't agree to this, right? Start with fiction books, story books, your comfort zone books, okay, and then try to find and at least read 10 books on your comfort zone, right? You'll see that your mind is better concentrating. If your mind is able to concentrate more, then obviously you can do well in all three subjects. It's a general thing, right? If you're good at concentration, it helps in general life also. Nothing about cat and preparation. Okay, so develop a good habit and just try to give more just finish all the materials, right? So once you finish 10 15 books, no, so while you're solving any RCs and all, you'll feel find very comfortable with that actually. Okay, so just try to read 10 15 books. You've got enough time right now, so rather than focusing on those English material and boring RCs, try to
Hmm.
develop a good reading habit. That's what I suggest to you.
Okay. And sir, I haven't done anything in my profile. I have a very low scores right now.
What are you doing right now?
I'm in engineering third year from NSI,
Third year, which is stream?
instrumentation and control.
See, you can take if you have good time, you can take some certification actually, right? But honestly speaking, it doesn't help you in a great deal. In a big run, right? It doesn't means you go and show certificate that okay, this is a certification I've done.
Everyone has
Basically, that is,
certificates.
huh? Yeah, that's what I'm saying
Everyone
because
has.
they will not be interested in that, right? They may ask 2 or 3 questions in interview, right? Hardly, but they won't actually be much inclined to that, huh? So there in interviews, if you're getting the first thing is getting calls, right? So calls will never be on certificate, right? Whatever
Hmm.
you've done in academics, you can't change it. So all you need to get is good percentile, right? You have to get calls by your good percentile actually, right? So and even if you're in college right now, so whatever academies you have done, it's fine. All are passed, right? But yeah, once you get this 99, 99.5 plus range, okay, so you're bound to get some tier one college. Okay, so it's a great chance to do upgradation, right? It's always good to dream about top IIM, ABC.
Mm-hmm.
But if you see even if you're in a top 30 college, right? Okay, and you're a hardworking person and you end up in top 30 college, right? So top 30 means all tier one college, like all IIMs will come, IITs will come, MDI, FMS, all these colleges will come there, right? So basically in this top 30, if you're top 30, 35, if you end up actually, and then you compare your life after 5 years with some person who graduated from IIM ABC. So I don't find much difference actually. Maybe you can move ahead of them also if they're not so hardworking, right? It's about hard work. Even if that initial top 5 college or top 30 college won't make any that huge difference in your life, unless you are that bit of a starting point they can make. Okay, that okay, let's say that I am a top 5, I am people have got some better opportunities, right? But even if you even top 30, top 40 college, no, you will get all the opportunities are required to get a package of 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs. The companies will come. You'll have to give interviews, try to clear them. Even if you get a good start, right? You want to do very good at corporate level. You will have many people who are up the ladder from the college, your alumni, right? If you want to be entrepreneur, there will be you'll see many entrepreneur from the top 30, top 40 college, right? So all these colleges like top 30, top 40, if you end up with, right? So ever always dream good. Okay, that's just fine. I don't know if you're like, but then many people like, I have to win only IIM ABC, otherwise I'm not doing MBA. Okay, so that kind of attitude actually wins our ABC. Maybe it doesn't make sense for 99.5% people who are above and average and above average throughout, right? So it doesn't actually that make much sense, right? But even if you can get, if you get really, if you're not so decent academics, you want to get a call from IMC and IMAB and all, try to get closer to 100. A and C may not be B, but A and C will give you a call, right? But my focus will be ultimately that in your preparation time, never get disheartened, right? Whatever profile. If you end up at somewhere 99, 99.5 plus CAT, right? There's no person who are at in bad or are in mediocre situation of life. A person needs to be first hard worker, right? If a person is hard worker and if he has got 99 plus in CAT, he'll know he or she will never be in a mediocre situation in life, always in the cream level, right? So at 99 plus, I've not seen people getting any people getting any bad colleges or something like that, right? 99.2 people have left job in last year only. He went to MDI. 99 point something. Somebody gone to NITI operations. NITI operations was the best in India actually, right? So these things actually. So we just try to think about IMs and all, right? But there are actually so many good colleges apart from that, right? So many good colleges, right? One student has gone. My one student has gone to IFT. She didn't receive call from any IIMs. She didn't do well in any CAT and SAT, right? But one exam she cleared IFT and top 20 college. That's it, right? Huh. That's and bloomed actually. From there she can actually bloom. So that's why just in your preparation phase, never get disheartened by your profile. Just try to get that maximum percentile to receive that call. Be ready to hard work hard in life. I think nothing, right? These small academics problem mistakes will never hamper your score, right? Rather than, I am quite against that these things go in FB post and all, right? In all the FB post, what we have done wrong in our life, that we are not getting these calls, that what we have done. All these are basically the talks of losers only, right? They're never going to get 99 plus in CAT. Okay, so there those who are craving there that what we have done wrong in life, and what IIMs are doing, these are like they're doing shit. This is like actually this is very bad that they are not giving a chance to those people who are ready to work. They are giving chances, right? It not maybe right. It is always like if you're ending in some top 3, top 40 college, you have always got the required opportunity to become. Okay, the package, the dream companies you are looking for, it could be a for a couple of lakhs less package, right? Or nothing more than that. If you're deserving, you'll get a very good package or a very good entrepreneur chance from any top 30, top 40, right? So they will provide you the necessary gear which you want in life. Okay, so just focus on percentile. Take it as high as you can, right? May as closer to 100 as you can if you have time. Just forget about once you have stepped preparing for CAT right now. Uh, just forget about every negative thing you've done in life. Just take that to 99, 99.5 plus in CAT. If you can do that, you'll be a champion in life.
Sir, also,
Okay, so
will I have any problem in CAT 21 if I am appearing this year also? Like, will they ask
nothing,
why did you appear before?
nothing.
If you are
Cat is you can give cat a number of times.
okay,
You should give cat. You should give cat right now also to gain some experience, to
but
gain
the
some.
pattern is changed, so
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
won't.
yeah. No, you should give cat. No, there's no issue in doing that.
21 pattern will be different from this one. I think so.
If I
Let,
think, this is more due to COVID right now. Okay, so I think
yeah,
the pattern will be changed actually. So, but unless I don't feel, I don't think any difference in difficulty level. You just to accommodate more slots in a day. Okay, so I think it's almost same thing. And see, in any competitive exam, it hardly actually hampers because everybody is on the same boat. Okay, pattern is changed. It's changed for everybody, right? So nothing actually. So always benefit who are more if pattern is changed or not changed, right? Just be prepared well.
okay.
Okay, Ashish,
Yes, yes.
any more questions?
No, sir. Thank you so much.
It was a nice discussion with you. Okay, so study well, right? And then you can always just message me on Academy. Okay, I can we can always have a discussion there. Okay, I tell you my number also there. Okay, we can have a you can be in touch with me. Okay, any issue
Yes, sir.
can just tell me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, sure. Bye bye. All the best. Huh?